Hey, welcome to Bjorn's Garage, and today's video. So today's video is going to be some older photos of when I first got the Jeep, that first year, and I brought it right down to the frame. Yay! Oh, and taking a look at how bad the frame actually was. It wasn't pretty, but we sent it away, we got it fixed, and got it back, painted it, and stored it for the winter. So that was my first season with Papa Smurf. I didn't name it at Papa Smurf at that time. Boy, I am tripping over everything. So, but hey, stay tuned. Take a look and enjoy the video. Just a quick update of where the Jeep is. What you can see here, it's starting to rain a little bit, so I had to put it on the cover. But I am literally trying to clean out the frame. I'll try and post some video. Kind of look down here, you can kind of see what I think is the remnants of a mouse bed that was inside the frame. So I literally was taking a pressure washer, going in the little tiny grooves here, and then taking a metal coat hanger and shoving it through. My Jeep, I don't know if it's supposed to, but it has a little tiny hole right on the bottom side and right under here. It's a little thinner than I would like, but I think it's still solid. So yeah, that's been my drainage hole. Kind of basically I put it up on an angle and put the hose through, and comes out that little hole right there. All in all, I think it works out pretty good. So, hey, just an update. Okay, here's a picture of my dad going to town with that pressure washer, trying to get the inside of that frame clean. We wound up cutting a hole in the backside just to really spray hard. Here's some rust of the mounts. This gas tank here, that was hiding most of the rust. There it is. That's the bad spot. Could not see that from the outside. If you have a Jeep CJ or YJ, please take a look for that rust. Here's my dad and I. We decided to pull the engine before we sent it away to get welded and fixed. And here it is, all ready to go get fixed up and the welder. Hey, buddy. Hey, everybody. So what you just saw was me doing the complete tear down, right down to the frame. At this point, I sent it away to a welder, and I got some of the safety caps to put on the back and re-welded the back. So I'll show you some pictures from when that gets back. Thank you. Enjoy. Okay, here's it back from the welders. Caps came out great. I bought a new crossbar on the back. Because I went with a fiberglass tub, I needed the extra mount in between the two mounts. That really did help out. And let's see, where are we going? There's Cameron. I think she was 10 at the time, going to town, wire wheeling this whole thing. Then we started painting it. We painted the whole thing with POR 15. Came out really well. I think it looked good. Here it is, all painted up, all fixed up, ready to go. I put my tub on it, and we put the hard top on it. Kind of brought it out. And where was it? See? Here it is. This is where it's home going to be for the winter. And wrapped it up. So, yep. Okay, so that wraps up the first year, 2020, with Papa Smurf. Stay tuned. I got 4 more years of rebuilding it, and it's finally on the road. So we'll see some videos of that, but, you know, it's winter. May not be that much snow, but I gotta go plow. And that's another video. I threw that up there too. So, as always, enjoy life. And Merry Christmas.